How to change APN settings on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you tap on it, just scroll down and tap on SIM cards and mobile networks over here. As you tap on it, you'll be able to see your SIM cards over here. So just tap on the SIM card where you want to change the APN settings for. So tap on the SIM card icon over here, and then here you'll be able to see the option of access point names, which means the APN. So tap on it, and here you can see the selected APN settings. So just tap on the arrow button over here beside that, and then here you'll be able to see different access points or APN settings that you can choose, and you can just select any of this and you'll be able to change this APN settings on Xiaomi. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.